Hi, this is a tutorial on how to screen record. Screen recording is a great tool to utilize, especially when you want to demonstrate or show your thought process and also when you're trying to show the technical difficulties that you're facing. It also records your movement, so as you can see, while I'm currently talking, you see me writing the word hello. So how do we screen record? Well, if you pull the right-hand corner, you see that flashing red circle with the dot inside. If you hold it down, you're able to see your mic. In most cases, the mic will be turned off. And if I press off, you will not be able to hear anything. Here's a little demonstration. Make sure it's on, then you can hear. And once you're done with the video, you can press stop recording. Once you've stopped recording, you'll be able to find your video in Photos. So Photos is right here. And you'll be able to click on it and you'll find a video that you recorded. And if you press it down, you'll be able to share it. And you can email it to the respective person that you're sending the recording to.